Or YouTube, real quick before this video starts, make sure to check out gfxcomment.com, our website, our store. We have a lot of free templates, GFX packs, products you guys can download. We got UI interfaces if you're a developer and you want just quick UI, you could add it right into your game. Here it is, so check it out. YouTube, welcome back. Alright, in this one I am going to be ranking your UI designs. Join our Discord, link is down below, and post your work right here. Ranking UI, ranking renders, logos, and art. And we're going to give you a rank based on how good we think it is. So here are the ranks. It goes from rookie, novice, experienced, adept, elite, super, professional, master, and the last one is grandmaster. You can read all these yourself. Yeah, let's get right into it. Before we start, let's try to get at least 20 likes on this video. If you guys could help us do that, that would be great. I would really appreciate that. So let's start off with the first person, Dalton. Here's this little menu UI that he made. Some little criticism. First of all, I think these margins between these buttons, these distances should be a bit tighter, closer, as well as for all these different margins here. This one. So yeah, those should be closer. The menu items here should be in a heavier font type, so make this bolder. This should be lighter. Alright, so here I am remaking this to show you exactly what I mean by making these margins tighter right here, as well as the font weight, positioning of the text. As you can see, this is a lot better. It looks a lot more clean. Everything's much more proportional. It's lighter on the eyes. I just finished adding these tabs. Alright, it goes all the way down, so let's go to cookies. Alright, let's take this background plate and let's copy it. This, as you can see, you want to match margins. Let's go right here. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna skip the number pad right here. I think it's gonna take too long. So I'm just gonna go right on ahead with the buttons. So right, and the buttons down here, same thing, but I hope you get the idea. But other than that, I like this section here with the oranges, lemons. I like that part, it's nice. Alright, next one we have, I think this right here is a Spotify UI Remake. Honestly, I don't see any issues with this. This is actually really nice work. I don't know if you use any references, but this one is great. I like this one. Alright, the next one we have here, this is a grocery store mobile UI thing. Today's deals: save $2 on broccoli. Save $1.75 on oranges and 2 for $3 strawberries. What a fantastic deal. Welcome John Doe. I like it, you know, it's nice. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have any complaints. Is it just me, or the search button, these seem to be in different spots? Could just be the screenshot, I don't know, but it looks really nice. I like it. Let's move on to the next one. Red Robin Gourmet Burgers and Brews. 10th item free. Login. I think you should change the login button color, the shade at least, if you want to keep it red. Login with Google. For the Google logo here, I think you should use the colored version. And login with Facebook. I guess that's fine. The positioning of the text is what I'm really focused on here. The text should be right here. You know what I mean? These are misaligned. So just focus on positioning, proportions. It should help your UI a lot. Next person we have options. Your watermark is very strong. It's a bit distracting, but let's see. I think the text style should be better than just white text with a stroke. This yellow background part could be better as well. And maybe also change at least the shade or texture of these labels, because they're the exact same as the background and the title part and the button. So just have some variation. Who is this? Is this Gears? It's actually really nice. Once again, proportions. Look right here. These margins, it's too close. It should scale. It should be scaled down to somewhere like this right here. You know what I mean? So scale these down to fit within this box I made. Yeah, it's really nice. Side menu. Alright, let's move on. Outfits, inventory. Q to move, to scroll through the tabs, I'm assuming. I think you should remove the glow, as well as making these margins here tighter as well. So both vertically and horizontally, make these margins a lot tighter, fit closer to the top, and just make everything more proportional. I'm just gonna keep saying that. You should do some actual buttons for the categories, and yeah, it's not bad. This one's like an RPG kind of UI. Look over here. This middle part should be right here. So you see this avatar section. So the bottom of the green should be right here, and the top of this blue part should be right here. So it should be like that. You know what I mean? Next one, name. If you take a look at this, I recently made a tutorial. It is on the channel. It is somewhat similar, so you can take ideas from this right here in comparison to this. So name, change the font, make it a lot smaller. You see how everything here fits well. Yeah, change the font. For this button, I think you might want to make the text black. Just an idea, could work. But for a UI like this, white text looks the best. Alright, so this is going to be it for this video. I know this one is kind of short, but it is getting late for me. It's 3:18 a.m. But if you guys would like me to continue doing these videos and also making these longer, just leave a like and comment down below, so I know you guys enjoy these kind of videos, and I will continue to do more. Yeah, with that being said, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.